In a world where everything runs fast, efficiently and precisely, flawlessness has become a standard. We've achieved perfection on so many levels. We're encouraged to dream big. Yet we know that even the biggest things started as something small. A sharp idea in a creative mind. The detail that brings out originality. The one drop that causes waves. A slight turn in the road that leads to new destinations. It's those little things that shape us, that empower us, that keep us both strong and tender. It's those little things we trust in that ensure a strong performance. Little things take time and patience. Let us take care of them to create something big. You choose the journey. We follow your lead.